Second attempt to record this video. I guess the disinformation police came after me yet again. This is really getting annoying that it is selective. I'm looking at something random. Hold on. Forget what I was saying. Just a strange random plasma tube if you guys are following Gina Marie's page. It's kind of, it sucks that the things that we're saying from a metaphysical higher conscious theory, observation, I don't know if we were going to be able to say this stuff for long because no one has proof, and the people who are behind the curtain or behind the screen are the ones controlling the narrative. It's really annoying. Affirmation. And the way that they use this control, from what I was reading this morning, cannabis, CBD oil, oils, essential oils, oils basically they adapt to our brain chemicals in our neurological system. And so if we're not careful on attaining the higher conscious, say philosophy, theory, whatever it is, we all gotta keep keeping our thoughts forward. And I'm so distracted right now. It's just too much going on already. I came here to get an indoor plant. The last video I posted, basically, I said the name of the person. I guess you're not allowed to say person's name, but you can say Donald Trump. You can express how much you hate him, and it's okay. But anybody else, that should give you an indication of the entities that are over here and the entities that are accused of being them are over here. And that's what they're trying to make us out to be. And that's not, I don't know. The last thing I want to say, I really want to break this down, but I guess I have to just kind of just bloop and then leave. I can't even say the V word. So basically, I've always shared with people, whoa, wait, let's look at this here. It's going right over me. So you guys see if you could put two and two together. That's just how you can possibly manipulate the brain waves of someone. So I've been doing a lot of brainwave therapy and reading on frequencies, megahertz, and really buzzing my head every day. And it does seem to be paying off because my inklings are telling me that something weird is going to be turned on, along with people who may not be in total control of their body being out of control as a science project. So I'm gonna go now, bye.